Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with another tutorial. Introducing the stationery I'll be using today. It's a Staedtler Luna pencil, Dome's eraser and the Posca pen for the outlining. And I'll be using the Staedtler Luna pencil colors to color my drawing. So these are the shades that I'll be using today. Today I'll be making a drawing of a cotton candy cart. So we start with the pencil lines first. We are making a sleeping line. Another sleeping line below it. This is longer than the first one. Then one more sleeping line. This is to draw the awning. Then joining them with the slanting line on both the sides. Now I'll be making the poles of the cart. The pole is going to start from the slanting line at the top. So we are drawing two standing lines here, and then again on the other side it's going to start with the slanting line at the same point where the slanting line is starting. From there we'll draw two standing lines again. Now making the base of the cart a sleeping line, standing line, another standing line, and then again a sleeping line. So this is the basic drawing. Now making the wheel. One wheel is going to be bigger one and the second one is going to be a smaller. So I have drawn the baseline for both the wheels. Now making a circle with the pencil for the bigger wheel and another smaller circle for the smaller wheel on the other side. Now making the top part of the counter. So just adding two sleeping lines there. Now we'll be adding another two sleeping lines. So basically in this we are going to write the name. Now making one more circle inside the wheel, just doubling the circle. And doubling the other circle, the smaller one also. So we are done with the basic drawing. Once we are done with the basic drawing, we'll start with the outline next. Now we'll be erasing this middle line as this one is the extra line. So just that we don't get confused in all the lines. So erasing the line which is not required. Now outlining, starting the outline with the black pen. Here I am using the Posca pen. So just starting with the outline, the same pencil lines we are outlining. First we'll draw a standing line in the center. Now making the slanting lines on one side. See the direction of the lines carefully. And then we'll be making the slanting lines in the other direction. So all the lines are same. Just maintain the gap between the lines. Now below each line we are drawing a curve. Just drawing curves below each of the divisions. We have already drawn a sleeping line with the pencil so that all the curves are of the same length. Now making a standing line here, another standing line, and then joining this with the sleeping line. Now a slanting line, another slanting line, and joining with the curve. This is the machine, cotton candy, and the other part is to show some of the cotton candies displayed in the cart. So here we are just making a cloud-like structure with the curves and making the standing line at the bottom. This is just like another cloud and making a slanting line at the bottom and adding few lines to show the volume. Now outlining the standing lines of the pole of the cart. The other side, the lines ones which are behind the cotton candy are not to be outlined. Outlining the cart, the upper part of the cart. This, like, we just have to draw a rectangle here, outlining the rectangle here. Writing the name Cotton. As we have a more space, so I am making another 2 lines here to write candy. Now I am starting with the detailing of the wheel, drawing a small circle inside, outlining the outer line of the wheels that we have drawn before, just outlining on the pencil lines, the outer one. And then doing the other one. So here I am making a connecting part, sleeping line, slanting and joining top, outlining the circle. Making the outlines of the cart, just making it a little curvy on the edges. The base of the cart is going to be visible behind the wheel, so we are outlining there. It will not be visible behind the second wheel, so we are not outlining the sleeping line there. Now making the slanting lines here to show the wires of the wheel. Just look at the lines carefully and draw it. Now we are making another pattern. We are just drawing the standing lines and the base of the cart. Now once we are done with the drawing, we are erasing all the extra lines that we don't need, all the helping lines which we made for our drawing. And after this we'll be starting with the coloring. I am using the Staedtler Luna pencil colors. All the links for the stationery that I am using in this video is there in the description. You can go and check them. So I'm starting with the dark purple color here. You can select any colors of your choice. If you want to do some other color, you can do that. This is just for the reference, or you can even do the same colors. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Do let me know in the comment section about this video. And also you can let me know what you want me to draw for the next tutorial. As you all know that I'm coming up with the new drawings every day. So you can just let me know in the comment section anything specific that you want me to draw. If you've enjoyed the video, if you found this helpful, then do like and subscribe to my channel, and please turn on the bell icon for the regular notification, for the daily notifications. And for the product links, you can check the description box. Do like and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.